Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my holiday binder slash a little sprinkle of emergency funds, month ahead, and vacation. So let's get started. I have $90 in prop money, and let's get to our saving challenges. All right, so first we are going to start with Father's Day because it is by the time you guys see this, no, I don't think it's quite June yet, but it's almost there. So this is Be Proud of Your Progress. It's $40, created by Budget with Carly, and we're gonna try to do 2 of these. So that's 5, and let's do here. All right, we're gonna start right there. So that's $11. So 10 and 11. And this is the second saving challenge that I am saving for Father's Day. Let's see. Let's see how much we have so far with this challenge. We have 10, 22, 3, 4. $24. So we are a little halfway done with that one. And next we have the 4th of July. And let's see. This is created by Bookish Mama Budget. Says 50. And let's do here. Okay, we have 5. We are just going to do 1 for now. Then we'll come back around if we have some money. So $5. Next is birthdays. Have a birthday in July. So let's do, this is created by Janelle Ray Budget. Say 75. And I might do this roll and save on the back too. So this was a Happy New Year's one. So let's do this one. Okay, that's a 5. Perfect. All right, $5. Now I'm thinking about in July revamping, hold on. Revamping my binders, changing some stuff around. I'm not sure yet. Or I'm just looking for an excuse to order stuff off Etsy. You know how that goes. So this is saving for Thanksgiving. This is created by Stuffing Budget. Saves $50. Oh, we just started this one because we completed one last week. All right, and that is a 6. So 5 and 6. What's that? Yes, saves 50. Okay. Next is Black Friday, and this is another new one we started. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budget. Says 55. Cute little bees in their honeycombs or beehives. Yeah, beehives. Yeah, there you go. All right, I just love the colors in this. It's so cute. All right, let's go here, and that is a 3. And we're just gonna do 1 because Black Friday is a little far away. So $3. 1, 2, and 3. And next we have is Christmas. In Christmas, we are doing this book. This is a scratch and save book created by Cajangirlcreates, and it's saved about 700 plus. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and finish this page, I think. Or should I just do 1? Let's just do 1. Because Christmas is a little way too. And I am saving for Christmas in my year of savings videos too. So 5 and 6. All right. Yeah, I want to put like a family binder together where I'm saving for both of my kids and my husband. So I would have money already in there for things like birthdays, any like if they need clothes or shoes. If my husband just wants something random, or I want to get him something for just because, that money will be in the family binder. So that's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. All right, so this is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. As you can see, I love me some Bookish Mama Budgets. So I am rolling this four-sided die and just going around the board. And this is her summer vacation. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go here. Oh dear. Miss Lindsay, ×2 your next turn. Okay. Oh dear. 2, 1, 2. Okay. Okay. We friends now. We friends again. So that'd be $4. Do I got a dollar? No. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Next we have The Life of a Duck Named Wood, created by Snowgarner 307. So we finished this page. So now we are working on this page. How much should we do? I think I want to roll a D10, D12. Should I put at least $12 in here? Girl, you act like you're a baller. But okay, let's do a D8. Yes, yes. 2. Okay, I'm not gonna complain. Why are you complaining? I don't know. I'm just gonna put that $2 in there. Yes, so you are. So $2, and that's this butterfly here. Oh man, I should have did a different color. Oh, I cannot stay inside the lines. Okay, $2. 1, 2. All right, put that on in there. All right, so we are back to the beginning. All right, come on now. So let's go back to Father's Day. And let's do one more. Ooh, okay, that is a 7. Five, 6, and 7. All right, 4th of July. Can we finish this one? Maybe. Yeah, let's finish this one, because then I can add another one in here. Because for 4th of July, I think I said before, we have this like really nice like street fair. And me and my husband, oh my goodness, and it's like up a hill. We have to like park at the bottom of the hill, and you have to walk all the way up the hill, and it's a bunch of vendors. Oh my goodness, food. Like I said, I want to get another permanent bracelet. What else? I mean, drinks. They have a parade there, music. It's just a lot of fun. So we like to save money for that. So let's do this. Was it the 6? Oh dear. I think it was. Or was the 5? Oh gosh. That's what you get for talking. I think it was the 6. At the end we should have 50. And let's do this. Oh. Oh my goodness. Almost took me out. So that is 9. Let's put this dollar back and grab a 10. So let's see, we have the 50. So we have 20, 30, 45, 50. Yes, we do. And gems, that is a completed challenge. Oh, well, I'm not going to put a paper clip on it. I'm just going to put it back in here. So we finished that one, and we would add another one for the 4th of July. And let's go to birthday. We got 10. Okay, we still got 20-something dollars left. Let's do this one. 7. All right. So 5, 6, and 7. And I kind of want to, let's go ahead and start rolling on the other side. So let's do a 4-sided die. Hopefully, I'm going to put D4 on here so I can remember D4. All right, so let's roll. We have a 2. Let's do these 2 here. And we have a 1. So $3. So $3 added in here. Perfect. Yeah, we'll do it like that. I don't know why I didn't do that in the beginning. So that'd be like a 75 plus, which I would just give her all this money, all the money, so she can buy her own things. Because you know how she'd be 19, you know how they are. She can do her own little shopping. So let's do another one here. Let's do this one. You know what? These big numbers that just want to pop out on the second time around. So do we got $1? Yes. Let's put that 10 in here. Dear. All right. Black Friday. And I have to tell you guys, I am working on, oh my goodness, I'm working on so many things. Oh my goodness. It's like when I have that creative juice just flowing, I can't be stopped. I'm telling you, let me tell which one I like. I'm working on so many things for 2026. So 1, 2, so we got $7. How these numbers been showing up? We're not gonna do that because I don't want to IOU and Miss Lindsay. Then put her denominations on there, and I'm kind of scared. So, how about the Christmas? Oh, the Christmas. Should we finish this one? But how much? This is 1 through 9, 5. Oh, that's only $7. Ooh. No, we're not doing. Should we? No, we not. Then if we do that when it gets shut the box, I'm gonna be screwed. So you know what? We are just going back to the duck. And so that's 5, 6, and 7. So let's do, we out of 5s. We can do, we can do 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So we can do this bug and that bug. So let's do this bug, which I am doing orange. All right, and let's do, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, and this bug up here. So we are doing that a green. I don't remember what green it is. Maybe this one. It looks promising. Perfect. Or no, I think that's actually the wrong green, but oh well. Maybe all right, so that's 5, 6, 7 going to what the duck. All right, so like we only got 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like $15 left. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. All right, gems. That is it. We did complete a challenge, and that was for the 4th of July. I will put a new challenge in here so we can keep on saving for some fun. All right. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on my financial journey, please feel free to subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.